Okay, hello again, Mark Bakker again. And this time, the Windows remoting part. I want to show quick demo on DHCP. It's also in the administrative tools. You can run it there. Of course, you can click it, or you can run this. Of course, like already shown you a couple of times. You can do it that way, just however you prefer. Basically, you can add a server here. For instance, I have a DHCP server and that runs on my domain controller. It doesn't matter, by the way. It's just for internal use at my lab environment. But as you can see, I have some address leases here. I have some Linux boxes here as well. But again, key takeaway here: I didn't log on to the DHCP server. I'm still logged on always on my management box, so to speak, where all the tools are. And if you miss tools, you just install them on this one and then you remote to the system. So basically for DHCP, you can do everything here as well. So what you can do locally there, you can do it here as well. You can create scopes, you can do exports, backups, everything you can do locally on the DHCP server, you could do remotely as well. Okay, so that was the key takeaway here. Do some remoting on Windows DHCP server. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.